Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's very close to my heart and changing the way we solve problems and build amazing products, design thinking. And guess what? We're going to break it down in under 5 minutes. So get ready to unleash your inner innovator and let's get started. So what exactly is design thinking? It's a human-centered approach to innovation that focuses on understanding and empathizing with your users to create solutions that are not only innovative but also deeply relevant to their needs. It's a powerful non-linear process that encourages creative problem solving and rapid prototyping. It's about putting people first and solving the right problems from the start. Design thinking can be broken down into 5 key phases. First, we have empathize. This is where we conduct research to deeply understand our users and their challenges. The goal is to see the world from their perspective. Next is define, where we synthesize our findings to create a clear problem statement. It's all about framing the problem in a human-centered way. Then comes ideate. This is the fun part. We brainstorm as many creative solutions as possible. No idea is a bad idea here. After that, we move to prototype. Here, we quickly build low-cost versions of our solutions to bring our ideas to life. Think of it as a rough draft. Finally, we test. We put our prototypes in front of our users to get feedback, learn, and iterate on our solution. This feedback loop is what makes design thinking so powerful. So why is this process so effective, Vasa? Because it reduces risk. By testing early and often with real users, you avoid investing huge amounts of time and money into a solution that nobody wants. It fosters collaboration, breaking down silos within your team, and most importantly, it consistently leads to more innovative, impactful, and user-friendly products and services. It's a roadmap to sustainable innovation. All right, let's wrap up with the key takeaways. Remember that design thinking is a human-centered process for solving complex problems. Its 5 phases, empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test, provide a powerful framework for innovation. And its ultimate goal is to create meaningful, valuable solutions that your users will love. If you're ready to master this skill and become an expert design thinking practitioner, I have something for you. I'm offering a more detailed, discounted price training on this topic, one that will be custom curated to your specific need. If you're interested, please write to me at info@samai.org and I'll be glad to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.